And I was not gonna talk about this because why, right? But it's like fall in a bowl. You guys are going to love it. Good morning, friends. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video, you guys, we are doing a what I eat in a day, but I look like this because I just filmed the bougiest, most unrealistic morning skincare routine that I think I've ever done. But I am making a winter skincare favorites post for the blog. If you guys don't follow me yet over on the blog, go check it out, CharleneTown.com. I've got healthy recipes for you. We've got mindset, journal prompts, skincare favorites. Everything will be linked over there. You can also go check out the reel. It's on my Instagram. I'm CharleneTown_. Just go follow me all of the places because it's so much fun. So my hair is looking a little crazy, but I am so hungry that I was like, I can't even take the time to do my hair. We have to make my favorite breakfast recently, you guys. So I saw my naturopathic doctor a couple weeks ago and she told me to stop doing cold smoothies in the morning. She said it's not good for my gut right now. And so I had to come up with something else and was like, what do I eat? Okay, I'm so tired of eating eggs. I finally got to the point where my breakfast salad that I was eating every single day, I need something else, okay? And I'm out of avocados, so I decided to make a protein oatmeal bowl. I know, after following Dr. Mindy Pelz, if you don't, you totally should. She's amazing. She's a wealth of knowledge. She talks all things fasting, especially for women, but she talks about the fact that oatmeal is not good on its own for breakfast. So if you're eating just oatmeal for breakfast, try this recipe instead. This one is full of healthy fats, high in protein, fiber, just all of the good things. So without further ado, and my like super glossy face and my undone hair, let's jump into today's what I eat in a day and make this delicious. It's like fall in a bowl. You guys are going to love it. This recipe will also be over on the blog under the tab Fuel Your Body. Yeah, so go click the link in the description box down below and go check out this recipe and the skincare favorites. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and let's make breakfast. Okay, seriously though, you guys, this is fall in a bowl, and it is so good. The creaminess from the coconut, the healthy fats from the coconut, the vital proteins, collagen, it's perfect. There's no flavor, you can't taste it, but you get your protein in. We love that, the healthy fats, a little bit of a crunch. You guys. It's seriously fall in a bowl. Okay, I need to eat this. I gotta get some work done, and I'll check in with you guys later. All right, you guys, we are back. I'm getting ready to throw dinner in the oven. She is ready. She got her hair done. She put some makeup on, and I'm feeling good. Okay, so I'm gonna montage clip over what I made last night. I prepped dinner last night because every once in a while, Doug and I just really like to make a whole chicken, and I don't know why. It's like November and I'm gonna be making Thanksgiving dinner, but I just wanna make it all the time because it's my favorite. So I just made a whole chicken. I dry brined it, which this is how I made my turkey last year, and it was a hit. Everybody loved the dry brine. Now I used a different recipe than I did on the Thanksgiving turkey last year. There's also going to be a section of Thanksgiving recipes, all of my favorite Thanksgiving recipes, links to the original recipes and my altered versions because I alter everything because I have a sensitive gut. So I'm gonna have all of the recipes that I love for Thanksgiving that are healthy, delicious, and I know you are gonna love them and everybody in your home is gonna love them. I've tested them out for the last 3 years at Friendsgiving on lots of different people. They're crowd pleasers, I promise you. So if you need some healthy Thanksgiving recipes, go check out the blog, CharleneTown.com, and click on the top. It says Fuel Your Body, and then there's a button you can push that just says Thanksgiving recipes. Do yourself a favor, go bookmark some of your favorites. They are so delicious. I can't wait for you guys to try them, and go tag me on Instagram or shoot me a DM on Instagram and let me know which recipes were your favorite. Now it's time to put this beauty in the oven. Oh, also, I made a delicious green bean casserole. This is my interpretation of a green bean casserole that the roasted root made, but I had to make it SIBO gut friendly, and I just continue to make it that way because I still have a sensitive gut. I still can't do garlic or onions, and it is phenomenal. Everybody loves it. We eat this several times a year. We don't just save it for Thanksgiving. And when Doug was like, we should do a whole chicken. I was like, oh my gosh, yes, we should. We'll do a whole chicken. I'll make the green bean casserole. It'll be a healthy, delicious dinner, and I'm so excited. So I prepped that the night before. It just needs to cook. So I'm gonna cook the chicken, and then I'm gonna cook the green bean casserole, and that's what we're having for dinner. I'll show you what it looks like. Maybe I'll make some sweet potato mash, but I'll show you what it all looks like when it's done. Oh, I did not film making this green bean casserole because I did that last year. I will link that video right here. It also has Thanksgiving recipes. I made the Thanksgiving recipes with you last year, so I will link that video above and in the description box down below if you guys want to make it together. This recipe, my version and the original will be linked, so if you don't have SIBO gut issues or you don't have a sensitive gut, you can just do the caramelized onions the way she does it, or you can try mine because mine still tastes so freaking good. Everybody loves it, and everybody, like, I didn't tell anybody for Friendsgiving that I was making it gluten-free, dairy-free. It's super healthy. Nobody knew that it was altered and that there wasn't garlic or onion in it because I know how to cook in a way that makes it taste like there's garlic and onion in it. So if you want to learn that recipe, go to my website, CharleneTown.com, go check out the blog, and you can click the link and watch that video as well. And yeah, so I will show you guys dinner when it is done. Okay, I'm back, and I was not going to talk about this because why, right? But I feel like I have to. Okay, Fabletics every year has the most incredible Black Friday sale. And about, I don't know, 3 or 4 months ago, I actually canceled my Fabletics membership just because they haven't had a lot of things that I really want, and everything was like not the colors that I wanted or just not styles that I was super into. You know, I bought a bunch of the Sarah's Day workout clothes, but what I've been really wanting is some neutral toned leggings. I've said that even in the Sarah's Day reviews. I wanted browns, neutrals, because it's fall here and I want fall colors. I love browns, I love nudes, okay? But it's cold here, and I've recently started going hiking in the mornings after I drop Liv off at school, and it's cold, and I was like, man, I need some warmer leggings. And I was like, Fabletics. Fabletics has cold weather leggings. I got some cold weather leggings. And when I was on the site, they just happened to have some really nice neutral browns. So you know what I did? I got some clothes, and I just want to share them with you because literally Black Friday is coming, and literally the best ever. Okay, so I got 4 pairs of pants, 2 sports bras, and a jacket for $100. What? Okay, let's dive into what I got. The lighting is not great. I have a chair because I literally just dug into this. I was so excited. Okay, so I'm wearing the Cocoa leggings. I got a full length pair of Cocoa Oasis because they're amazing. I love the Oasis, and I'm a size extra small in Oasis just because they stretch out. But this, I just want you guys to see like this beautiful color, okay? So then these are the 7/8 because I wear 7/8 more often, but when I'm out hiking and doing stuff, like I want them to be long, okay? These are the Cocoa and the Oasis in an extra small. And this sports bra, okay. So my all-time favorite sports bra that I have been wearing since Kauai. I went on a trip to Kauai. I bought this sports bra. It's the Cloud sports bra from Lululemon. Love it. It is so comfortable. I wear that bra every day. It's like my new bra, okay? So when I went on the website and I was checking out the pants, I'm a sucker for a matching set. So when I saw that this sports bra that looks very similar to the Cloud sports bra, I was like, okay, I need to try that. Now, the style and the material is different than any other sports bra that they've done at Fabletics. The Lululemon one is much softer, but this is really, really comfortable. Okay, we love it. I got the cold weather leggings in the cocoa as well. We match. We love it. I do wish I'd have gone down a size. I got my regular size small in the cold weather leggings, and they're a little bit big. I'm not sending them back. They'll be comfortable, they'll be fine, but I would size down. And for some reason, this has like an actual waistband. I don't know, can you see that? So it kind of like is snug up top. I was hoping that this would be more like the Oasis pants, where it doesn't have the band up top. But in any case, they're cute, they're comfortable, they'll get the job done. I got these in black as well. I have one more thing. Does she need another white coat? No. I don't. Did I get it? Yes, I did. Love the pockets. Super soft. My only like bummer about it is that it's not soft on the inside, it's slick on the inside. So if you are somebody who runs really hot, or it's like warmer weather where you are and you want a cute like looking jacket, this is great. I love the structure of it. It's super comfortable. Super cute. For me personally, I run really cold and I would prefer the soft fuzzies on the inside. That's what would make my heart happy, but they didn't do that, but that's okay. So that's what I got. So if you guys are wanting to stock up, Black Friday is coming. I will list the date that they're gonna go. I mean, it's Black Friday. I think their sale starts though early. So if the date changes, it's not just Black Friday, I will list it here. But you guys, their sweatpants, I got the go-to sweatpants. I've got 2 pairs. I've been wearing them for 2 years now. They're beautiful, love them. I'm going to be picking up another pair of sweats. And the Oasis pants. This sports bra, I can already tell you, is gonna be a new favorite. It's super comfortable. We love it. Yeah. So I will list a ton of other videos that I've done reviewing Fabletics and their workout clothes. I have so many. I will list them in the description box down below. If you haven't tried them, go check them out. I gotta go check on dinner. I love you. I hope you guys shop and get some really cute, comfortable clothes. And this cocoa color. I'm living for it. I love it. Okay, love you, bye. If this was content that was helpful for you and you enjoyed it, please don't forget to like and subscribe. It helps YouTube push it out to more people. Share it with a friend would be really helpful. I'm really trying to grow my channel this year. I so appreciate you. Thank you so much for being here, and I will see you in the next one. Bye. And welcome to today's video. Today we are talking about a holiday gift guide for her. So grab your cup of tea, grab your glass of wine, whatever it is, settle in, and let's get started.